Welcome to Spyder Auto's projector headlight installation guide for the Toyota Tacoma. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket, Phillips driver, and a panel popper. Start by opening the hood. Remove the two plastic retainers on either side of the grille. Then remove the two Phillips screws securing the grille. Unseat and remove the grille. Remove the plastic retainers securing the headlight garnish. Moving to the wheel well, remove these three Phillips screws securing the fender liner. Then remove the plastic retainer also securing the liner. Peel back the fender liner for access. Remove the four plastic retainers securing the fascia from below. Remove the three plastic retainers securing the fascia below the grille. Unseat the front bumper fascia. Disconnect the Foglight harness. Remove the three Phillips screws securing the headlight. Then remove a 10mm bolt securing the headlight from the side. Remove the headlight garnish by gently swinging it outwards. Release the headlight retainer tabs. Then unseat the headlight. Disconnect the Sidemarker harness. Disconnect the turn signal harness. Disconnect the headlight harness. We have to transfer a few things over before proceeding. Remove the Sidemarker socket. Never touch exposed bulbs with bare hands. Remove the turn signal socket. Check the bulb socket gaskets before reinstalling them, and replace the gaskets if worn. Take a look at the back side of your Spyder headlight. Install the turn signal socket. Install the Sidemarker socket. For information on how to wire the halos and more, check out the Spyder FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Your beam adjusters are shown here and are 8mm. Reconnect the turn signal harness. Reconnect the headlight wiring harness. Then reconnect the Sidemarker harness. Seat the Spyder headlight. Seat the headlight retainer tabs. Reinstall the three Phillips screws to secure the headlight. Then reinstall the 10mm bolt on the side. Reinstall the headlight garnish. Next, reinstall the plastic retainer that secures the garnish. Seat the bumper fascia. Be sure to reconnect the Foglight harnesses if equipped. Reinstall the three plastic retainers that secure the fascia. Then seat the grille. Reinstall the two plastic retainers that secure the grille. Then reinstall the two Phillips screws that secure the grille. Now reinstall the four plastic retainers that secure the fascia from below. Replace the fender liner. Reinstall the three Phillips screws that secure the liner to the fascia. Then reinstall the last plastic retainer, and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your Tacoma with a set of projector headlights from Spyder Auto. This is the actual projector cutoff line.